Hello, welcome to Food and Beyond. Hope you are all doing good. And today we are going to see a high protein pancake using the cottage cheese. So come, let's go. So in a mixing bowl, first combine the whole wheat flour, baking powder and cinnamon and mix it well. And I used a whole wheat flour, but you can use all-purpose flour or any other flour that you wish for. In a blender, I have added eggs and cottage cheese and blended well together. And if you don't have a blender, you can whisk your wet ingredients together in a mixing bowl. But mixing in a blender, I felt it's easier. Now add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and combine well. If the batter is too thick, add in the milk. I have added like half cup to 1 cup of milk depending upon the consistency that I needed. So depending upon you how you want your pancake batter to be, add milk accordingly. I have used a normal cow's milk, but if you want you can add almond milk or oat milk or any other milk that you wish for. I have added vanilla extract and mixed it well, and once you mix it well, just keep it aside and let it rest for 5 minutes and then start making your pancakes. In a pan, once it's hot, low to medium flame. Once it's hot, add butter and scoop the batter and pour it into the pan. The batter was little thick, so I wasn't able to spread like a full circle. I added butter to it. Cook until the bubbles form on the edge of the pancake, and you can flip it over after that. It takes like 2 to 3 minutes for the pancake to cook, and once it cooked, just serve it with maple syrup and fruits of your choice. My pancakes were so fluffy and so soft, and it was so delicious. It was not heavy. I thought it will be very heavy, but the pancakes were so light and it's high in protein, so it's perfect breakfast for the whole family. Just repeat the same process for the rest of the batter and serve it. These pancakes are so healthy, and they are packed with 24 grams of protein per serving, and they are so soft, so melt in your mouth kind of pancakes. And these pancakes are just need like 6 to 7 ingredients, and the kids love it, and they are so easy to make it on a very busy morning day. So try yourself, and hope you like it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, comment and share with your friends. Next week we will see in another interesting video. Until then, bye bye.